What is the best thing to have for breakfast?
More vibes, okay.
More vibes. Why more vibes, jam?
Shape up sometimes, but when you shape me check. Showcase.
Away. I did a deal, jam.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young taller. I got custom drip, couple chicks, income checks.
Eyow, what up, it's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Y'all. It's mak'fika iDubane, iTheku ishuu. Okay, wafethu. I'm back with another Q&A Shandis. Bafethu, ku-2024 bafethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi sipine while ngagcina uqhamuka nokuyiveza bafethu. Kodwa kusawuyena bafethu lo Mr. Lukhulu Luyeza, Mr. Onkintilele okuya bafethu umshiso ngefanisi. Cela ukuthi bafethu ni-subscribe. Uphinde ulike, uphinde ucomment first, uphinde first make sure ukuthi imibuzo first ngibuza la ama-answers wathola ngoba wazi ukuhlangana nominini bafethu. Okay, stay blessed and shining. It's road to 1,000 subscribers bafethu. Masisuka lapho, it's straight road to 5K subscribers bafethu. So please enjoy the episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Always. Eyow, what up, it's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Y'all. It's mak'fika iDubane, iTheku ishuu. Okay, I'm here with
Njabulo mfethu, Njabulo.
Okay, I'm here with Njabulo wafethu. So Njabulo lokuthola uphenyane first. Oh, be safe.
Yeah, ngibe grand, ngisagrand nje mfethu. Ngathuka amehla manje sidala.
Oh, how much? Alright, first. So tell me, how many colors first are South African flag?
Six first. Six.
Please name them.
Wow, black first, yellow, white, red, blue, green.
Away. So tell me, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Capital city of Hoshepstein or what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I am not sure. I am.
You're not sure? Okay, so tell me, conducting ABSA.
ABSA. Yeah. African Bank Service. Hey, Baba. ABSA.
Okay. So tell me, where is Africa located?
Africa?
Yeah.
It's located with Atlantic Ocean.
Ne.
Sure.
Okay, again. Please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangafollow wakhona.
Instagram mfethu Njabulo mfethu Njabulo_wise.
Njabulo_wise.
Yeah.
Always ngibonga kakhulu njame. Showcase dog. Eyow, what up? Eyow, what up? It's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Y'all. It's mak'fika iDubane, iTheku ishuu. Okay, I'm here with
Ningi. No sicelo.
Well sent.
Okay, our first question is first ukuthi if you were born in 2015, how old are you this year? Mawuzalwa in 2015. 99. Okay. Always. So what's the difference between a baby and a child?
I think a baby. That's I get. Is that different?
Difference between a baby and a child?
I don't know.
Someone under the age of 3. I don't know. Being a child.
Yeah, your mom is wrong if ik ben a baby because like my mom calls me a baby. Is it wrong?
Yeah, ingane mfethu le part so a child lezi ihambayo mfethu. Yeah, right. So uqonda ukuthini uAM noPM lo isikhathi?
I don't know.
Uqonda ukuthini? Okay.
I don't know.
Alright. Last question, Buffett. So
After midnight slam.
After midnight.
AM.
PM, why Okay. So umuntu blind khuluma iphi language?
Umuntu blind, I think it's English. Umuntu blind? Like English. Umuntu blind?
Yeah, umuntu blind khuluma iphi English. Language.
No me.
Depend.
Don't go to uzala
Wafes. Ngiyabonga. Wafes, stay blessed and shining. Always. Eyow, what up? It's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Y'all. It's mak'fika iDubane, iTheku ishuu. Okay, I'm here with
Ace Black. Igama lami Ngusakhe, that's my stage name.
Away, Buffett and Pets Ace Black, Buffett. So Ace Black, tell me, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
That's Peace of Maritzburg, bro.
Okay. Who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Deputy president.
Yeah.
Deputy president. Okay. Deputy president. It's Zuma, bro.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
It's Paul Mashatile njalo.
Oh, damn.
Okay, so how many colors are the South African flag?
We got 6 colors in the South African flag, bro.
Please name them.
We got red, white, blue, yellow, black, and the last one is green. Yeah.
Away. So if you were born in 2015, how old are you this year?
Damn, I forgot. Shit. 9 years, bro.
Away. Okay, please shout out to Instagram. Laban bang follow account.
Okay, my IG handle is Ace Black Billy Mason. So in between, like I've always like Ace_Black Ace Billy _Mason. Yeah.
Away. Shout out, man. Always. Eyow, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Y'all. It's mak'fika iDubane iTheku. Okay, I'm here with
Ndilo.
Okay, wafethu mphethu Ndilo namhlanje. So Ndilo wafethu, what is the capital city yaKwaZulu-Natal?
KwaZulu-Natal. PMP.
Away, thank you njam. So if you were born in 2015, how old are you this year?
2015.
Yeah.
How old I am today?
Yeah.
This year? 9.
Away, njam. So tell me, how many colors are the South African flag?
7.
7.
Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Please name them.
Red. Blue. Green. White. Yellow. Black.
What is the best thing to have for breakfast?
More white, but
More vibes. Why more vibes, jam?
it's shy papa sometimes, but it's pretty shy milkshake. Showcase.
Away. So more vibes, ne? Okay, so we continue. The last question, jam. Now it's conducting AM no PM. Dog scat.
Show. AM. I say in the page.
Excited guys, jam. PM on ya. Like full meaning.
AM.
Yeah. Okay, conducting absent jam.
Abs.
Yeah.
I want to know South Africa.
Showcase. Please shout out to Instagram. Laban bang follow account. TikTok.
Ngikho mfethu.
Okay, active. Alright, siyabonga kakhulu njame. Always. Ngiyabonga dog. Eyow, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Y'all. It's mak'fika iDubane iTheku. Okay, I'm here with
Avela Chotwana.
Sondile Chiane.
Langa Apila.
Okay, well, first questions first. Ngaw ukuthi i-South African flag ina makhala zawo ngayo.
Kono yellow, black, white, blue, red.
Yeah, 6. Okay, what is the capital city yaKwaZulu-Natal?
KwaZulu-Natal.
Yeah.
No.
PMP. Okay, so yeah, peace and respect. So tell me, ungamkhipha umtshisi mise ku date?
Yeah.
Yes. Uyise ongaka why?
Ngoba nayo uyangikhipha.
Let's say awukazi umkhiphe like siyaqala sedate manje then Friday nemali ukuthi siphume ungangikhipha.
No.
Why?
I don't trust you.
But do I know you like that?
Cha nje usunayo imali ukuthi siphume first.
Yes, I have it, but angakakwazi ngaleyo ndlela le yabo ukuthi mina
Okay, uma ungena kwi relationship wena yini oyibeka etafuleni?
ngibeka aflame. Uthando vya.
Nala ibekayo. Ngibeka imali nami ngibeka imali.
Wena mami yini oyibeka etafuleni?
Love and money.
Okay. Okay, so if you were born in 2015, how old are you this year? If you were born in 2015.
I think 9.
Yeah, 9. Okay, but first, what yiphi currency sisebenzisayo la South Africa?
Yeah, rent.
Rains. Okay, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangafollow khona.
But it's Avela_AJ or AJ_Avela.
Wena?
I also don't have it. I'm using your WhatsApp.
Okay, well, first last question ngawo ukuthi uqonda ukuthini u-AM no PM lo kusikhathi?
AM.
Yeah.
Ushuk morning. Huh?
Kuseni morning. Like a full meaning.
It's abbreviated.
Yeah.
So ke angazi ke.
AM.
I don't know.
Always okay, please but first ngiyabonga kakhulu ne. Always. Eyow, what up, it's your boy Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the Octavus mak'fika iDubane iTheku. Okay, bafethu sibonge ukuthi sokwazile sizofika bafethu empeleni kwayo video bafethu. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share bafethu. Njengoba ngihlale ngithembisa bafethu ukuthi Lukhulu Luyeza namanje bafethu umqwaqo ubheke to 5,000 subscribers bafethu. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Always.
Now we here for the zag. Tell you shaking on my fight, I ain't wearing my club. Just want a piece of the pie. Shall I see one with the guys? I ain't switching no sides. Speed on one day, they thinking I'm racing. Now I don't race, it's the paper I'm dressing. You go see